Yeah. Bless up to everyone in the morning, you know what I mean? Giving thanks and giving praises for life. You don't know it's a Saturday. You know what I mean? Today is not Sunday, no, it's a Saturday. Yeah, man. So it's a new link on a Saturday today. Right now, people are do some really work on them road, yeah. So the traffic kind of stay away. Me hope so because it's a Saturday today, we don't have the heavy traffic like yesterday. Because yesterday on the road, people me are telling us, see, start there. I could take a shorter route, you know, I still go come on the road. Oh, me stupid to route it. See the people, the traffic start. But me expect some me to beat the traffic today, but January, you know, happen. And I could take a route, U-turn to and bush to this, but why? I try to go over that lane and say something. If it can't work, I try to go over that lane here, people, because I go over one different lane, so. Because me not stuck up with them car, so people, Jano, we have to drive dirty, you know, people. See there? Right? By right, you know, it's a one way you forgot that way, you understand? But me go take the road come here, so right now, which me totally wrong. We should never take this route. But what we have got tried, you know, is beat the system and go across there, so. Yeah, you have to do it, people. Well, play turn up the music if you know. I try beat in so. I mean, I don't try it, you know, people. But sometimes they enjoy when you're then dirty still, they not give you a blind. You know? But watch we were teaching how to go in a traffic watch. I go on the road. Today what the name? Traffic with new link. You see me? Heavy traffic with new link. But I'm going to try beat the system. I try fit in myself because I have to try fit in myself. But right, I don't forget stuck around the roundabout, you know. But I try fit in myself. I see this boy watch him in the truck, people. Him. You see him look white. You can't see him? Or he look white. They not good, they not you know link blind. But me I go try butt in, see him here. I saw them stay, man. Watch him. Watch him face. Watch him face. Favor grizzly bear. Watch this a people you know. So me go stuck up around the roundabout, you know a problem. I say no people. You understand? By right this, him not fi come lucky in I say no. And him know better. See there? Him not fi come in pan the roundabout and block the roundabout because we wrong. We totally wrong. You know we wrong. So don't try fit in. Or go on if you are going. Him say I go that the way there. So I make him go on. I make him go on that way there. I go that way there. Make him go on. I say I go that the way there. So I make him go on. But me I try fit in myself. Oh, I some people. It's a heavy traffic, you know, because by right them I do some work on the main road down there, so them lock off. We have to use one road, you know. But everybody I take a chance, you know. Alright, me I try fit in behind that truck of people. See him I try come down on me right now, but we have to watch him. But him look like a... Oh, he have the indicator on, so I go so you know, I tell no lie. When they see new link, they get afraid, you know. Yeah, man, they get afraid because you can't have too soft, you know, people. You get me? Yeah, man, can't too soft. You have to show them, so look at me at Jamaica, you know, what I do. Well, see there. Right, them gone so now, so my feet get a space behind the truck here. Alright, people, so me dip on a good lane now, it a move slow still. I should leave out long time still, no people, and I just smash up the thing, but if me dey take that road there, it's better. I would reach right up there, but me stupid. Yeah, me blame myself, me stupid. You hear me answer me though? Stupid. I have a route I could have take. Alright, people, see it now. Like it have moved look a bit good, mine could have moved look far. Today is Saturday, so I don't expect this. Cause I know say a Saturday, it's like a weekend here, but I didn't expect this for today. Surprise me. Well, at least some rake and scrape people here. The music you call them rake and scrape. It's a Miami and Turks and Caicos thing, you understand? Bahamas and Turks and Caicos for them music this. Like how we are dancehall and reggae, they have a music called rake and scrape. You hear like Mento Bun and them sing and them like calypso thing like here, rake and scrape. A fun music still, you know? Once you get used to it. Yeah, people see there. Every traffic people. See a lot man over there, so watch him. You know how him look for, watch him. Every traffic on the road today. You know what, on the camera and watch him move. Look like a some, watch him now. Scare a camera. You my people, it's a every traffic there with New Link today. JAMAICA. So everybody, how is everyone? How is everyone? Thanks for everyone from Canada. Yeah, who give them support to the kids street. Enough love and enough respect, you understand? Yeah man. From Canada, big up. Much love and much respect for the love and support. We see people give donation and we appreciate it. Doesn't me? People, please support the kids street. Please. You know what I mean? Now do it from the heart to these kids. You get me? To the kids, them will not do it for. God know. Kids will not do it for. Not New Link, honestly. You know? But even if we don't get no donation, like we get somewhere, but if we don't get what we expect, we have to just put in. We have to put in and just do it. You know what I mean? We have to make people pitney there. You know what I mean? Big up everyone, man, who support the thing, man. See people from Canada. Much love and thanks and respect, you understand? Big up people from all over still, I don't know. New Link production, you know. Big up the whole of America. Big up the whole of the Caribbean country, them. Big up on yourself. You see me? Whole of Guyana, big up. St. Vincent, Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, St. Lucia, St. Thomas, Martinique, Monsteria, Cayman Island, Curacao, big up. Belize, Aruba, New Link Sony, you know. St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Vincent, Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados. Big up on yourself in the Saturday. New Link production is here. Listening to American Scrape. Big up. You mean? Watch out people. Eh? I feel me, you know. Me the watch out. Me I go show you how me Link not check, you know. Me not check. Me not check. I saw me stay. Me not check people because him feel like say him have the right away there, so him a go push up and come. He even blow me and show look of respect. Eh? Yeah, disrespectful man. Show respect in the traffic. Big up, the whole of England. New Link said that. Yeah man. Big up on the cell New Link production there. Yeah. Whole of Germany, big up CM here. Switzerland. Watch out. What kind of driving him a try pull off now? There's the people.
More hits, more music.
New Link, turn it down. Too much vibes. Now I break out the people even on this Saturday, you know. You see me I say? Yeah, people are much love and much respect, man. See there heavy traffic in the day. Every traffic in the day, yeah. Don't know New Link production do it. Big up. Right now we're ready to come mash up some stage show. That we want. We're ready long time. So a nice building there, Jamaica, there's some people. Very nice building. Don't know that we want to see no upliftment in the country, you know. See there, man over there saw fix up new gas station. Look there. Man over there saw work, but them a chop brick and a chop block and everything in a sonat. Yeah, everybody a do them thing. Money a make, construction a go on. A progress is a done. We know you don't know with you. If you're not showing no progress, man fi go through life without stress. Yeah, progress is a progress. Anybody not show the progress so we do? No deal with them, we cut them off, man. I mean, a progress is an upliftment for every ghetto youth. You see me? Yeah, people, much love and much respect, man. See there? If you want your car, so you come to Turks and Caicos to rent or buy car, you check over there. David, D&B. You understand? Ask D&B, them have the car, them we rent very cheap. You know what I mean? Very good car dealer. He's a Jamaican as well. You don't know the thing, go. Yeah, support them. David that there. Over there, so now, you have a mangrove bar and restaurant over there, people. They say you can get nice food, seafood dishes, you know, your lobster, your conch and them thing, the crack conch and, you know what I mean? Right over there. The supermarket, they're close by same way Food World. Any look of food, you need items, you need to pack and go. Yeah, because a lot of the hotel up here, they're not all inclusive, so you got to go to the supermarket to get stuff when you came here. Unless you're staying at the Beaches Resort or the Aminia Resort or the Blue Haven, those are all inclusive, but most of the hotels, they are not all inclusive. Restaurant is there, you know, but you're still gonna need a little items like snacks and all of that. Yeah, real thing, New Link got tell you. We have to tell you now how I go on, because we met a lot of people visit Turks and Caicos since we are blogging. A lot of people say New Link when they know about the Turks and Caicos, and even the premier for a year, the government link me, I said New Link will love the work we are doing, you know what I mean? Selling our country, I mean, New Link production large, you know. Yeah, people, see the traffic finished now. Woo! We got you know. We gonna lead. Big up people, much love. Like how me gonna lead and now people, much love and thanks for watching me and me traffic journey with me and staying with me. You know what I mean? Much love people. New Link love you all, and as again me say, please support the Kids Street. Big up to everyone from Canada who give their donation already to the Kids Street. Much love and much respect. You know what I mean, people? Please support the Kids Street. Sit there, my email there right below the video. Just link the email and make here the address where you can Western Union money, please, because right now the GoFundMe page, them now take the money and something because them say I'm not in the USA or whatever. So, you know what I mean? Please support the Kids Street. Thanks to everyone. Much love, much respect. New Link Production. Big up people. Attack. In a good way, not a bad way. Much love people. Peace and love to everyone in Jamaica. Jamaica, love you all. Much respect. You know what I mean? All over the world, Africa, much love, Japan, China, everywhere. All who can understand the patios, big up on yourself, see me on the Stella Listen New Link. No, much love people and respect, big up.